First, we need to fold our paper. We're going to take one corner and match it up with the other corner so we make a big triangle. Then we're going to fold the corners together again to make a smaller triangle. Then one last time, fold it to make a small triangle. So we folded 3 times to make this triangle. When you're done folding, open it up. Now you can see our paper is split into a bunch of different sections diagonally. One of these, we're going to start drawing our design. This can be whatever design that you would like. Try not to make it too complicated because we're going to try to copy this onto all of the other sections. When you're done, go over your design with a black marker or a Sharpie. Now that our design is all ready to go, we want to copy this onto each section to make a radial design. So we're going to be folding this a bunch of times throughout this project. So I folded it so that I can still see the design on the outside, then I flipped my paper over. Very, very lightly, you're going to be able to see your design. You probably won't be able to see it on the screen here, but I can see it right through the paper. Try your best to copy the design as exact as you can. The closest that you get, the better it's going to look when all of these sections are all copied. Open it up, check to see that your design looks good, then you can go over your design with marker. Now notice that my design, wherever the line touches the edge of that fold, the line continues onto the other section. So if your lines aren't meeting up on that fold, that means you made a mistake somewhere. Go back and see how you can fix that. Now we're going to finish up the rest of our sections here. So you're going to keep folding along all of your folded lines all the way around. Make sure that the design is on the outside of the paper. And then keep copying all of your designs. The more you do, the more you're going to see when you fold it. So since I had 2 done, now I can do 2 at a time. When you're done doing everything in pencil, remember to do it in marker. That's going to help you see through the paper there. Now that everything's finished, we're going to start adding color. You're going to want to use either crayons or colored pencil for this. Along the edges of your design, you're going to push down really, really hard. And then as you get farther away from the edge of your design, you're going to lighten up. So you're making kind of a value gradient inside of all of your designs. So notice inside my pinky purple area, the edges are dark, but the middle is light. Now in the orange area, the outside edge I did really dark, and then I lightened it up as I got farther away from that dark area. This is going to give your project a more stained glass effect. And here's what it looks like all finished. And then notice when it's zoomed in, you can see all of those different values inside.